Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello, and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. Today, we have a very exciting one. This is a content integrity agent. It's 100% remote and it is for Etsy. So this one pays $29.17 an hour, $29.17. You're scheduled to work 40 hours a week. It is fully remote and it doesn't require you to travel, and it is project based. So at Etsy, it's looking for a content integrity agent to join our content moderation team. Content moderation is a multidisciplinary team within trust and safety made up of agents who interpret and enforce Etsy policies related to user-generated content. The marketplace integrity team continuously adapts to meet Etsy's and our community's content moderation and policy enforcement needs. As a content integrity agent, you'll focus on identifying and removing not qualifying content. This is a full-time report to the Content Integrity Manager, and it is based in Brooklyn, NY, Hudson, NY, or remote. Your responsibilities will be understanding and enforcing assigned sections of Etsy seller policies, staying up to date with training, following workflow and escalation guidelines, utilizing Etsy internal tools to review digital content within listings, reviews and messages, removing content that does not comply with Etsy policies. Some of the content may be disturbing. Examples include, but are not limited to, hate speech, weapons, drunk paraphernalia, sexual/mature content, communicating efficiently and accurately with sellers about enforcement actions, upholding content moderation service levels and performance metrics. So qualifications: 1+ year of experience in content moderation, fraud investigating, or other e-commerce risk management service. Good judgment, operates confidently in ambiguous situations. Ability to work well both independently and within a team structure. Excellent written communication skills. Comfortable providing and receiving feedback as a regular practice. Handle sensitive topics and with composure and maturity. Willing to work a Tuesday through Saturday schedule. So at Etsy, we believe in diverse and equitable and inclusive workplace. Makes us more relevant, more competitive, and more resilient company. We welcome people from all backgrounds, ethnicities, cultures, and experiences. So if you want to be part of this, and this sounds like a perfect fit for you, it is 40 hours a week. It is fully remote. It starts now in June all the way through December of this year, with the possibility of it to get extended. And it's $29.17 per hour. So if this sounds like you, I'll put the link right in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have every single day between 5 to 7 job leads fully remote just for you, available right here on this channel. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.